If-else statements in Python. Control structures in programming are essential for making decisions and executing actions based on certain conditions. In Python, we have three main control structures for this purpose: if, elif, and else. These structures allow us to control the flow of our program based on conditions we define. Let's start with the if statement. The if statement is used to execute a block of code if a particular condition is true. In this example, we have a variable called age with a value of 20. The if statement checks if age is greater than or equal to 18. If it is, the code inside the if block is executed. In this case, the code prints, "You are an adult." But what happens when the condition is false? That's where the else statement comes in. The else statement allows us to execute a block of code when the condition we are testing is false. In this case, since the age is less than 18, the condition of the if statement is false. Therefore, the code inside the else block will be executed, printing, "You are not yet an adult." And what if we have multiple conditions to check? Then we use the elif statement. Elif allows us to specify additional conditions to check after the if statement. It stands for else if. In this example, the if statement checks if age is less than 18. If that's true, the corresponding code is executed. If that's false, we move to the next condition specified by the elif statement. If that is not true either, the else block is executed. In this case, the code will print, "You are an adult." These control structures are fundamental for decision-making in Python and programming in general. You can use them to control the flow of your programs and make them dynamic and responsive.